Torn between Supabase's magic and Drizzle's TypeScript power? I built the same app with both, and trust me, what I found will blow your mind. Stay tuned. Supabase is your all-in-one database solution. PostgreSQL, auto-generated APIs, real-time subscriptions, auth, and storage. It's like a magic database genie. Instant APIs, no boilerplate. Perfect for rapid prototyping when you need to ship fast. Drizzle ORM is the TypeScript ninja for maximum type safety. No runtime overhead. If your code compiles, it works. With Drizzle, you get type-safe queries and autocomplete everywhere. It's like having a database assistant that checks every line for you. Here's the twist. Use both. Let Supabase handle your PostgreSQL and auth, then swap Drizzle in for type-safe queries instead of Postgres. Get the best of both worlds. Supabase's magic plus Drizzle's TypeScript superpowers. Supabase is perfect for rapid prototyping with instant APIs, real-time features, and a full-stack solution. Drizzle is ideal if you're a TypeScript lover who wants bulletproof type safety and complex queries. Or be the genius dev. Use Supabase for hosting and Drizzle for queries. Best of both worlds. If this saved you from database hell, smash that subscribe button for more dev secrets.